Hi everyone! I'm making Nutella Macarons today, one of my favorites. Place the almond flour, powdered sugar, and cocoa powder into a mixing bowl. And find this recipe in the description box below. Sift all the ingredients. I usually do this 2 to 3 times, making sure there's no lumps in the mixture. Just discard any extra bits. All done! Place the room temperature egg whites into the sugar and give it a quick stir. Place the egg whites and sugar mixture on top of a pot of simmering water, making sure the bowl does not touch the water. Keep whisking until all the sugar has dissolved. By checking if all the sugar has dissolved, you can rub the mixture between your fingers. If you feel no sugar, then that means your mixture is ready. Once all the sugar has dissolved, you can pour the mixture into the mixer. Start off on low and then increase the speed to medium-high. After a few minutes of whisking, you should start to see a fluffy, silky, shiny texture. Your meringue should look something like this, stiff peaks. It's best to prepare the piping bag ahead of time before mixing your batter. I use a large piping bag with a large round piping tip. I add about 2 to 3 drops of brown gel food coloring. Be careful not to deflate the meringue. Be gentle while folding and stirring. Keep on mixing until the batter is lava-like in texture. Almost there. Keep mixing. The batter should just flow off the spatula, lava-like in texture. Once you draw the figure 8, you know your batter is ready. Pour the mixture into your prepared piping bag. Going in a circular motion, gently squeeze, release, and flick. Squeeze, release, and flick in a circular motion. Tapping your tray several times to release the air bubbles. Use a scribe to pop the remaining air bubbles. Let your macarons rest for a bit until they're dry to touch. They should form a skin. After the skin has formed and they're dry to touch, they're ready for the oven. For the delicious Nutella filling, you're gonna need Nutella, of course, powdered sugar, softened room temperature butter, salt, and some milk. On medium speed, whisk the butter until smooth and light in color. Now let's add all the delicious Nutella. Mix on medium-high until combined. Stop the mixer to scrape down the bowl. Add the powdered sugar and salt. Continue mixing on medium-high. While mixing, add the milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you have reached a rich, smooth, creamy texture. Place the filling into a medium piping bag, fitted with the tip of your choice. Chocolate macarons ready to be filled with delicious Nutella filling. Pair them up and they're ready to be filled. Let's start filling these delicious macarons. I love Nutella filling, so I always put a little bit extra. Sandwich them together and voila! There's your delicious macaron, ready for the delicious toppings. I'm going to top my macarons with semi-sweet melted chocolate and some crushed hazelnuts. Take a small piping bag, cut the tip with the scissors, and drizzle the chocolate. Drizzle as much chocolate as you would like, then add the crushed hazelnuts. I can't resist. I have to try one. I topped my chocolate ice cream with my Nutella chocolate macarons. Delicious. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.